Shalom, this is Yehudit Gold Farm, still in the Sierra foothills, a little different area near Nevada City. And I want to do the second day of the 40-day count of 40 days of challenge and centering. So this would be equivalent to Yesod at the level of physical asiyah. Using the Yud as my base, I'm going to go gradually, day by day, up the ladder all the way to Keter. So the second day, which is the 20th of Tammuz, has a Yud. I did the centered Yud last time. I'll do it again this time because Yesod's in the center. And then when we go to Hod, we'll start showing you a different Yud. The centered Yud is in, towards myself, up and pointing, and then down. So it's in, up, point for the Yud, then you open your hands to receive and coming back to yourself. It's like I call it sometimes poking a hole in the infinite and saying hello, and then waiting for a response. So that's the Yud. The last letter of Adonai. I'm doing the word Adonai backwards, the name of God. And we're starting with Yud, which is the level of asiyah, physical asiyah. And it's kind of the breakthrough into the physical from the infinite. And then I'm going to combine that with the Shuruk, which is the vow for Yesod, with the feet shoulder width apart. Make all your fingers together and go, ooh, for a Shuruk. Ooh. Ooh. Now we're going to do the combination. I'm a bit on a hill here, but I think it will work. So Yud at the level of Malchut. I'm going to go to the left step and do a Shuruk. Ooh. Then at the level of Yesod, stepping to the right. Level of Hod, stepping to the left. The level of Netzach, and a step to the right. Now level of Tiferet. This time I'm going to stay on the right. Let's do the Yud. And then the Shuruk on the right. And then move to the left for Gevurah. And then back to the right for Hesed. And to left for Bina. To the right for Chachma. And be centered for Keter, and I'm going to go to the right. And then pause. With the pause, letting Hashem breathe me, I'm going really back to Malchut for that centering and grounding after going all the way up from Malchut to Keter. Now I'm bringing the energy back down to Malchut. So on this day, in the world of physical asiyah, at Yesod, at foundation, at communication and intimacy and connectedness, I bless us that we find a way in every challenge, our relationships, to recenter and ground and speak from a very centered, holistic place, aware of checking to see if it's appropriate to speak or to be silent, what words are the most appropriate words, all of that coming together in Yesod at the level of physical asiyah. And all blessings to you on this second day of the 40-day count of challenge and centering.